chicken Alfredo jumbo shells. Let me show you how to make them the Tasha's way. Delish. Use some jumbo shells. Get you a bow, my gorgeous, gorgeous bow. We are going to need 2 cups of chicken. I'm using rotisserie chicken. Get you 1 cup of ricotta cheese. About a half a cup of mozzarella. A little bit more won't hurt. The seasonings I will be using is garlic, pepper, salt, and pepper. You can use whatever kind of seasonings you prefer. You can get store-bought or you can make your home Alfredo sauce. I'm making it homemade. 1 quart of heavy whipping cream. Looks like this, a little bit of bubbles. You're going to get 1 block of Philadelphia cream cheese. Get you some shredded Parmesan cheese. We're going to use half. Then we're going to add in our seasons. Italian garlic powder. Give that a good mix until it gets good and thick. Get you some kind of casserole dish. Tomato sauce. We're going to put some at the bottom. Chicken mixture. Get your jumbo shells. And we're going to stuff them. Just like this. Put it down into that Alfredo sauce. Once it's done, it should look something like this. The remainder Alfredo sauce. Pour it on the top. Put it on the top. Preheat your oven to 350. We're going to bake until golden and bubbly. Parmesan cheese. Garnish it with some bacon. And some fresh parsley.